Venus, planet of love, passion, romance, in male chart signifies wife. When combined with other planet, it shows the nature of wife. Venus plus Sun, confident and talented wife. Venus plus Moon, beautiful, lovely wife with femininity. Venus plus Mars, learned wife with good sense of humor. Venus plus Mercury, caring wife and witty. Venus plus Jupiter, wife a well-wisher, provides guidance. Venus plus Saturn, hard-working wife, inclined towards professional life. Venus plus Rahu, wife of luxurious nature and desires. Venus plus Ketu, wife much inclined towards spirituality.